Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Garden are a good and enjoyable pastime. Enjoying is a praising lap of nature is something which would seem artificial to the common people but quite peaceful to the city people as they are busy in the other part of the life. Hustling to get something but gardening helps them to restart fresh their morning or evening. The garden is surrounded by the fence to protect them from stray animals like dog, cats, or cow. Usually, these fences are made of wood or bamboo. The garden is designed into splits. The splits are the various parts of the section split into flowers beds, while every bed is surrounded by an earthen plate. For these flowers, crops, fruit trees, vegetables, and additional herbs, some parts are intended to be cared for. In different season part also plant seasonal vegetables, pumpkin, garlic, lettuce, bitter gourd, garlic, tomato, potato, brinjal, bean, pea, cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, radish, carrot, chilies, and other vegetables. While among fruit trees, apples, chicos, orange, plums, etc. In addition to the people also grown climbers and creepers to decorate their garden. Among these includes are money plants, various shrubs, all of these. In the other hand, we must love and nature the garden as well. We must keep in the mind to take care of the insects crops in the garden. For these crop insects can be dangerous. The crops flowers and fruit crop insects lays eggs as we need to sprinkle instead that can be destroy these eggs in the soil as well. And lime should be occasionally planted to kill the germs and the bacteria that breed in it. These help the soil fertility to improve. Gardening refines the mood and calms the life of individual. It can be as follow. In the gardens, we grow various plant, fruits, and vegetables. We tender and care of the life of these beautiful and crops. Thus, we grow them with uttermost love and care these plants in our garden and purify the air around us, thus making the air healthy which are breathe. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel and subscribe also.